Good afternoon. Last week, we talked about disciples, and I put in a video of miracles for you guys to look at before today's lesson. We're going to talk about Jesus's miracles. What is a miracle? A miracle is an extraordinary event that goes against nature, cannot be explained by science, and that Christians believe it's caused by God. What do we learn about Jesus through the miracles? We learn a lot about Jesus as a person through the miracles he worked. He healed a blind man. He healed a paralyzed man. And miracles demonstrate the close relationship Jesus had with God. And miracles also prove that Jesus' teachings were true. Here's an example of one of the miracles that Jesus performed at a wedding in Cana when he turned water into wine. Here's another one. Jesus walking on water. Jesus feeding 5,000 with 5 loaves of bread and 2 fish. Jesus healing the blind man. Jesus raises Jairus' daughter. This was a little girl who had died, and Jesus raised her. Jesus heals the paralyzed man. All these are miracles. But Jesus also told stories. And these stories are called parables. Parables of Jesus. A parable is a simple story that tells us a lesson. A story in which something that is easy to understand is used to explain something that is harder to understand. And here are some parables that you may remember. The Good Samaritan. And the moral of the story is that you should put aside your differences and help those who are in need of help. Then, of course, there's the lost sheep. The moral of the parable, the lost sheep, is that each person is precious to God. And another one has to do with 2 sons and a father. And the moral of the story is about forgiveness. The last one is the wise man and the foolish man. The moral of the story is about making good choices and being obedient. You will be watching these parables. They're short little videos. And this should be preparing you for a quiz that's coming up on the 18th. Not to worry, I will be giving you a review sheet to go through. Bye.